Hello and welcome to the Tigrepupbeauty channel. I'm Tigrepup, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create maximum volume in our Waterwave wig. Okay, so we've already shampooed and conditioned our hair, and now it's on to styling. The first product I like to use is Super Sculpt by Paul Mitchell because of its fast drying properties, and it adds a nice sheen. Okay, the next thing I like to use is Curl MAX for moisture, a leave-in for strengthening, an oil serum for lasting moisture and shine, and an ultra hold gel for frizz-free definition. Okay, so the next thing I want to do is emulsify it in the hair as best as I can and brush it through to make sure I got even coverage throughout. Just adding a little more extra gel to define those ends a little bit more, and next thing I want to do is take this coat hanger with the little clips on it, turn the hair upside down and hang it in a closet. Okay, so I'm going to put my diffuser on and diffuse the hair to encourage as much curl as possible. And once I've done that, I'm going to do a little bit more to make sure it's thoroughly dry. And next I'm going to take my pick and lightly tease the hair a little bit more to create even more volume. And I'm going to use a mixture of the Curl Max and the oil serum to get rid of the frizz caused by teasing. Here's the completed product. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something in the process. Thanks for watching.